Hi, here we have Caenomorpha Medusula. These are an umbrella-shaped protozoa. They live in environments of low oxygen and relatively high sulfur. I found these by getting some water from a local park pond, and since it was winter, there wasn't really anything to be seen in the water, so I seeded it with powdered wheatberry and let it just sit and stagnate for about a week. And these guys showed up. So I'm showing video here at 10 and 20 and 40 power of them, and mainly just so you can see how they move, which is quite quickly. They move laterally very quickly. They also move in and out of the plane of focus. So you can get an idea of how difficult it'll be to get flash shots of these at 40 power, because this is 10. They're going to be 4 times bigger, and they're just going to be jetting around. So the flash pictures I show at the end were, culled from probably about 1,000 attempts. Occasionally you'll see a little squiggly bacteria in the background. There's some here. I think those are Thiosporillum, which live in the same kind of environments. And here I've got one trapped, and so I was able to look at it at 40 power, but it was a bad place to get flash pictures because I have to look through, as you see as I change focus, you'll see there's a kind of a top transparent layer to this thing is trapped in. And so it's not a great place to get the flash picture. So I had to get them free moving. It was pretty frustrating. So now on to the flash pictures. I have several of them here, mostly kind of portrait views of their umbrella structure at 20 power. And again, these were just a few culled from probably 1,000 attempts. So now we move to 40 power, and we can start to see some structure here. In the upper left here, that round structure is one of the macronuclei. And you can see some food vacuoles, and you can also see that spiraling structure come around the front and head down towards the bottom of the body, towards that stalk that sticks out. And here you can see they can change the way they look quite a bit just by the angle that you happen to get the picture at. I think we've got a contractile vacuole in the middle there, and above that is one of the macronuclei. And then you can see that spiraling AZM come around to the bottom near the stalk. And I think the mouth part is there where that V is between the stalk and the body. Here's a view of the top of the umbrella. You can see the cilia around the sides associated with that structure that spirals all the way down to the back. You see 3 of the macronuclei. They're left and towards the upper left. There's 3 sort of roundish structures there. Now here's a view of the bottom. And so you can see that spiraling AZM come around and head towards the bottom of the stalk. The stalk's out of focus here. Now we have a couple portrait shots, which turned out quite nice, but boy, they were maddeningly frustrating to get. All right, well, appreciate you watching. Take care. Bye.